Hi guys, it's extremely bright. Welcome back to another video. Today is technically the third day of our Algarve trip, the second full day here in the Algarve. And today we're planning on going to Silves, which is supposed to be like the most scenic town, prettiest town in the entire region, and used to be the ancient capital of the Moorish Portugal. It was a trading hub for boats going to Africa and to the rest of the Moorish Arabic empires. And yeah, they have a big castle on the hill which we're hoping to get to today and explore. But yeah, should be a good day exploring Silves and coming back to Algarve for the evening and going to bed a bit earlier tonight because we need to be up earlier tomorrow morning for what we have planned tomorrow. Anyway, yeah, see you behind me though. You can see the entirety of Algarve in the background, bar the marina which is off in that direction. It is also going to be a lot hotter today than yesterday. Today is going to be about 28 degrees. Yesterday it was 23-ish degrees. So yeah, if we were dying yesterday, which we were, then we're really going to have it bad today. But yeah, should be a good day exploring Silves in the Algarve in Portugal, and there's Algarve. Let's get going. So evidently something went wrong with the audio on this clip. I was basically just saying that we arrived in Silves and we were heading towards the castle. It was a very hot day, about 28 degrees as I'd stated in the previous clip. But we're heading to the castle in Silves, slightly sweaty, and let's roll the B-roll of arriving there. So we went to the castle via this restaurant called Santa Sancha Bistro, I think. So if you're ever in Silves and you're going to the castle, it's right next to it and they do really good pastel de nata, so I highly recommend stopping by there. We are now in the Castillo of Silves, a very historic Moorish Arabic castle was used to protect Silves, which is the ancient capital of the region, and that part of the Umayyad Caliphate, I think it's called, Moorish Empire, when Moors were living in the Iberian Peninsula. This was a very important city for them, this was a very, very important castle, but yeah, haven't looked over the edge yet, but I know the view is going to be incredible, and I've almost walked into those pools twice now. The view from this castle is incredible. You can see all around the Algarve around me, well, a specific part of the Algarve, around the city of, or town rather, of Silves. I have been filming for Poem Gimbal brand, which they have commissioned me to do some travel content for. And I just want to note, by the way, as you know, I'm using the new Lumix GH5. I've been using this Comica microphone on top, and as you will know from the past couple of videos or clips or however I structure this, the audio has not been great, and I figured out that that's the microphone, sorry, and no other reason. So unfortunately I'm ditching that microphone. I'm just going to use the inbuilt camera mic, which isn't as good, but in this case will serve me much better than using the Comica external microphone. I have to get a new one which suits the GH5 a lot better, but yeah, I'm going to be using the inbuilt microphone from now on. Very hot, very sweaty, keeping myself hydrated and stuff. It is around 26 degrees right now, and coming straight out of the British winter, that is not something I am entirely used to. If you lived here, this might be a cool day, as it gets up to 40s, I don't know, in July. But yeah, this is just way too hot for me. I've wandered down from the castle. We're down in more of the valley basin of Silves next to a river, and we're going to check out a bridge in a minute, but we're kind of just chilling next to this fountain, which incredibly well timed. Stops as I turn the camera around to film it. That's actually ridiculous. And as I turn the camera back around, it starts again. That's even more ridiculous. Yeah, we went and got burgers and fries and food at some burger shop underneath the castle, and we just wandered downhill and we're chilling here. Probably going to stick around till sunset, which is 7:30, 8 o'clock, and then get a taxi back and get an early night because we need to be up early for tomorrow morning. So after exploring a bit more of Silves, we decided that we'd come somewhere close to Algarve on the way home to shoot sunset. I found the perfect place on Google. This is Praia da Coelha, probably the prettiest beach I've ever seen, prettier than Ponta da Piedade yesterday, even in this light. Saying that, Ponta da Piedade would be great in this light as well, but we didn't get to see that. But check this beach out. It's just a cove down there. You can't really see it from here, to be honest, but also look down there. Incredibly beautiful landscape. I have flown the drone, got some shots of that, etc. Now we're going to go and explore some caves and possibly watch sunset on the beach, whilst inevitably I shoot everything. Yeah, probably my favourite thing so far that we've done in Portugal doing this. So thank you all so much for watching this vlog. I really hope you enjoyed watching me get to the castle of Silves, which we got some incredible photos at, and then of course the drone footage and cinematic from Praia da Coelha was incredible. I'm so proud of that last sequence which you just watched, and I hope you liked the photos as well at the end here. Thank you very much for watching. Remember to leave a like if you enjoyed, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and turn on post notifications so you never miss a video, and I'll see you in the next one. Hasta luego.